Hey, it's Jack here. Today we are going into the Hallmark store because I heard there's some Halloween in there, getting close to that. Also heard there's some Christmas. It's August, Christmas in Hallmark store. Let's go in and see if the rumors are true. Inside the store, we do see the rumors are true. There is Halloween at the Hallmark store. We're greeted with this happiness is a bag full of candy with the Peanuts gang. And over here we have a Charlie Brown Halloween ornament with Snoopy and the pumpkin patch. And we have werewolf Snoopy right here. And next to werewolf Snoopy, there is this neat travel mug with the Peanuts gang on there. Hallmark lighted pop-up book. Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown Hallmark lighted pop-up book. And here's that pop-up book. You can go through, and each thing has a pop-up part of the story from Great Pumpkin. There's Sally and Linus in the pumpkin patch. There the kids are trick-or-treating with Charlie Brown saying, "I got a rock." And there's Linus writing the letter to the Great Pumpkin. On the other side of the shelf here, we've got these real cool Jack Skellington ornaments. He's got a different suit on, different color suit I should say. He's got maroon there, there's an orange one there. There's this traditional black right there.
Halloween's finest trick or treaters. The job I have for you is top secret.
And over here they have their fall favorites. They've got a miniature Snoopy werewolf. They got an owl and a ghost and a bat. Here's Charlie Brown, as you saw earlier. Some other ornaments there. There's Halloween Town. As we move the camera out, we can see that, yes, it is true. Christmas has arrived at the Hallmark store. Across the top here, we got Dorothy in black and white looking out into the colorful Munchkin land. There's a Golden Girls, there's a Seinfeld, Game of Thrones, there's Et, there's Blue from Jurassic World Dominion. We've got Neo right here, and Pinky and the Brain right next to that. This is pretty cool. They've got this miniature Super Nintendo. There's Mario. And there's Bowser. We got the hitchhiking ghost from Haunted Mansion. Press the button, let's see what it does.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
And here's Pirates of the Caribbean. There's Jungle Book. They've got a whole Disney Christmas tree here with Mickey Mouse as we look down. And there's Snowball Mickey for 2022 right there. And we go down further and we've got Snoopy. And more Snoopy. And way down here on the bottom, we've got this Pooh Bear with Piglet and Pooh Bear going around the Christmas tree. Here's National Lampoon's Vacation. They've got Clark and Ellen, and soon to be coming, Audrey and Russ. There's the Family Truckster with the tree on top. Down below, there's some Santa Claus, and there's some snowmen. Well, this year they got some Frosty the Snowman there. They've got the Grinch. Here's Papa Elf with Buddy the Elf. And a few others here, some Gingerbread Man and another snowman right there. Well, I'm not familiar with the series that Hallmark has come out with over the years, but this is the series favorites tree. They've got Young Santa, 12 drummers drumming. That's be from 12 Days of Christmas. They got stocking stuffers. There's a few others there. And as we scroll down, we can see that there is a Father Christmas series. There's this neat one here. Santa's Workshop.
Keep up the good work, elves. My nice list was extra long this year, so we have a lot of toys to make. I just need to add a bit of magic to this rocking horse, and it's ready to go. Ho, ho, ho! There we go. Oh, just think about the excitement these toys will bring to good little boys and girls on Christmas morning. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Now this is something really cool. This is their fan favorites. This is Star Wars. They have the Death Star right in the middle. Above that, it's kind of hard to see, but Darth Vader is right there. He blends in with that black wreath. And then there's C-3PO and R2-D2. And down below that, there is Luke Skywalker. And there's a Princess Leia. And there's an Obi-Wan Kenobi above that. Now, if it's like years past, you press the button, and these should all interact. There we go.
The Imperial Senate will not be still. When they hear you protect diplomatic...
Your Jack, so surprised, Your Highness. You weren't on any mercy mission this time. Several transmissions were beamed to the ship by rebel spies. I want to know what happened to the plans they sent you.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a member of the Imperial Senate on a diplomatic mission to Alderaan.
You are part of the Rebel Alliance and a traitor. Take it away!
Human-cyborg relations. And this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
Hello. Oh, well, my little friend. Get something jammed in here real good.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Is there any more to this recording?
He says that he's the property of Obi-Wan Kenobi, and it's a private message for him.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. I wonder if he means Obi-Wan Kenobi. Where'd she go? Play back the entire message.
What message? The one you're carrying inside your rusty innards. Just you reconsider playing that message for him. No, I don't think he likes you at all. No, I don't like you either.
Ben Kenobi? Boy, am I glad to see you.
Tell me, young Luke, what brings you out this far?
This little droid. He claims to be the property of an Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Now that's a name I've not heard in a long time.
We know him.
Well, of course I know him. He's me.
You fought in the Clone Wars?
I was once a Jedi Knight, the same as your father. Which reminds me, I have something here for you.
What is it?
It's your father's lightsaber. This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight. Now let's see if we can't figure out what you are, my little friend.
I saw part of the message you...
I seem to have found it.
General Kenobi, years ago you served my father in the Clone Wars. Now he begs you to help him in his struggle against the Empire. I have placed information vital to the survival of the rebellion into the memory systems of this R2 unit. You must see this droid safely delivered to him on Alderaan. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
And now, Your Highness, we will discuss the location of your hidden rebel base.
I want to come with you to Alderaan. I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
Mos Eisley Spaceport. You will never find a more wretched hive of
scum and villainy.
Stop that ship! Blast them!
I've forgotten how much I hate space travel.
How long before you can make the jump to light speed?
What's that flashing?
Are you alright? What's wrong?
I felt a great disturbance in the force. I fear something terrible has happened. You better get on with your exercises. Remember, a Jedi can feel the force flowing through him. I suggest you try it again, Luke.
With the blast shield down, I can't even see. How am I supposed to fight?
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them. You see? You can do it.
You know, I did feel something. I could almost see the remote.
That's good. You've taken your first step into a larger world.
We captured a freighter entering the remains of the Alderaan system. Its markings match those of a ship that blasted its way out of Mos Eisley.
They must be trying to return the stolen plans to the princess. She may yet be of some use to us.
We found the computer outlet, sir.
Lucky, he should be able to interpret the entire Imperial network.
He says he's found the main controls to the power beam that's holding the ship here.
I want to go with you.
Your destiny lies along a different path from mine. The Force will be with you. Always.
He is here.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Surely he must be dead by now.
Obi-Wan is here. The Force is with him.
But you're right. He must not be allowed to escape.
Escape is not his plan. I must face him alone. I've been waiting for you, Obi-Wan. The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
Only a master of evil, Darth.
Your powers are weak, old man.
You can't win, Darth. If you strike me down, I shall become more powerful than you could possibly imagine.
That was really cool. All the ornaments interact with each other, and the Death Star is a tree topper. That tree topper is $134.99, and the rest of the ornaments that shown were $39.99 each. That is really, really cool. They interact, and you can listen to segments from the original Star Wars movie. And below all the Star Wars stuff, we have the Snoopy house here. Let's see what this does. And it's not plugged in, so it doesn't do anything. Obi-Wan, we've got the 10th Doctor from Doctor Who. We got the Razor Crest from Mandalorian. Of course, there's baby Grogu right there, getting ready to eat its frog cookie. Actually, he's already taken a bite out of that. It looks like he has something interactive. Let's see. And below that, we've got the Sorting Hat. We got Newt Scander, and then there's Borgin and Burks. And there's the Dueling Club right there, and there is a book of Harry Potter. You've got the Meaningful Moment ornaments here with some angels. And if you'd like to put pictures on your tree, they've got picture frames for that. They've got local Las Vegas Raiders ornament, and they've got a Golden Knights ornament. And here is that Golden Knights ornament actually hanging up right here. Looks like an ice figure. Now, if you're into pop and collecting Hallmark ornaments, they have pop Hallmark ornaments. There's Skeletor, Mandalorian with baby Grogu, one of Grogu, There's Harry Potter by himself, and there's Lord Voldemort right next to him. Down below that, there's Buddy the Elf. Some stuff from The Office. We have Groot, and next to them we have Friends. And there's a few others there. Well, that was a lot of fun walking around the Hallmark store, checking things out, showing some Halloween, some Christmas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.